Hi, this is Sal Ferrara from the Electrical Training Center, and today we're going to be doing box fill calculations. In my previous videos, I showed you exactly what different requirements were in 314.16b1 through B5. I'm not going to go over that again, but you can watch my previous videos and explain in detail based on the NEC National Electrical Code, which we're using right now is the 2014 NEC. So, what we're going to be doing here, we're going to set up the problem. So, step 1, set up problem. And here we have two pieces of a 14-2 Romex. We got one piece of a 14-3 Romex. We got one receptacle. And we got one cable clamp. Now again, this is a new installation, so everybody knows that there is going to be an equipment ground with the Romex. Well, I'll just put with ground. I mean, that's all they sell now anyway, with ground. Okay? So, how do we do the problem? Do problem. Okay? We know, just FYI, that a number 14, if we go to table 314.16b, the table, we know it's equal to 2.00 cubic inch. Okay? Just, we need to know that. This is very important. 2.00 cubic inch. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the two pieces, two 14-2s, and we're going to do this. We're going to go 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2.00, which is 8.00. Then we're going to take the 1, 14.3, and we're going to go 1 times 3 equals 3 times 2.00, which is 6.00. Again, you just multiply. 2 times 2, which is 4. 1 times 3, which is 3. Okay? Very simple. Step by step. Then we're going to take the receptacle, one receptacle, and what's it connected to? It's connected to the Romex, which is a number 14. This is a number, it's connected to the number 14. So a receptacle, based on 314.16b4 is equal to 2, double allowance, 2. So receptacle counts as 2. 2 conductors times 2.00, which equals 4.00. Then the last thing, well, we have two more things. Then we have a cable clamp. 314.16b2 is your clamp, which counts as 1 allowance. You could have 5 clamps, internal clamps. Okay, we're not talking about clamps like a Romex connector that has a lock nut on it. We're talking clamps that are internal, like an old gem box, okay, or a clamp. That's a good example. Or you might have the clamps, that type, or even a plastic box, like a 4-gang, 5-gang, that have the clamps internally. Okay, they have to take a screw and tighten up the Romexes, or the BX, or the AC cable, or the MC cable that has the internal clamps. Okay, not a regular type of clamp that you just push in and you lock in. You know, like who makes these? I don't know. Arlington makes the ones that you just snap in. Those don't count. Okay, it's the ones that are internal that you have to put the screws inside, and you're using that. So the clamp counts as 1. 1 times 2.00, which is 2.00. And then we got to allow the equipment ground based on 314.16b5, which is your ground, or your grounding conductor. Grounding conductor. or your equipment grounding conductor, and that equals 1. You only count it as 1 based on the largest conductor it's connected to, and here it's connected to a 14, times 2.00, which is 2.00. And if we add it up, I got 0, 0, that's 14, 18, 20, 22. 22.00 cubic inch. And that's how you do that problem. Very simple. Again, 314.16 talks about how you do the calculations. And just click below and you can subscribe if you're interested in more videos. Have a great day.